Now come to the question answers of this chapter. Page number 66. Question number 1. Name any 5 features of living things. So we have already read the 5 features of living things. First is living things, they move. Second, living things grow. Third, living things breathe. Fourth, living things can reproduce. And fifth one is living things can feel changes. So these are the 5 features of living things. Next, with the help of examples, mention 2 ways in which plants show movement. 2 ways. First way is plant like touch me not closes its leaves when we touch it. This is the first example. Second is a lotus flower. It opens out at sunrise and closes at night. So this is the second example in which we are telling how plants they show movement. Question number 3. How do plants get their food? Plants get their food by their own. They make their own food. They do not need to go from one place to another in search of food. They are called the food factories. They are the producers of food. वो खुद ही अपना खाना बनाते हैं. How do animals reproduce? Animals reproduce by giving birth to the young ones or babies. And second way is they reproduce by laying eggs. 2 तरीके से वो reproduce करते हैं. Next is give any 5 difference between living and non-living things. The same that we have read. 5 difference. जो living के हैं वो non-living के नहीं है, वो opposite हो जाएगा. Like living things grow, non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe, non-living things do not breathe. Living things move, non-living things do not move. Living things can feel changes, non-living things cannot feel changes. Living things need food, non-living things do not need food. So these are the 5 differences between living and non-living things. Next come to give 2 examples for the following. हाँ जी. How plants respond to changes around them. कैसे respond करते हैं changes को? एक तो by light, light की वजह से, एक by touch. Next, animals that breathe through air holes in their body. So all the insects they breathe through air holes. You can write any 2 insects. कोई भी insects लिख दो. Cockroach, write grasshopper. Next, animals that have antenna, जिनके एंटीना होते हैं. So they are also insects. वो भी insects ही होते हैं. Write ant or cockroach, grasshopper. Non-living things that can move. 2 non-living thing बताओ जो move कर सकती हैं. That is air and water. Other non-living things they do not move. They only move when we apply force on them. जब भी आप force apply करोगे तो तब move करेंगे. But ये 2 non-living things हैं जो move कर सकती हैं. Air also moves from one place to another. Water also moves from one place to another. Next, plants that give rise to new plants with the help of their roots. किनकी roots से नया plant बन सकता है? That is carrot and potato. Next is give one word above these 2 examples only. First is things that move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes and reproduce. What are they called? They are called living. Part of a plant that helps it to breathe. किस पार्ट से प्लांट्स ब्रीथ करते हैं? That is stomata. Part of an insect that helps it to feel changes around it. कौन से पार्ट से जो इंसेक्ट्स हैं वो फील कर सकते हैं चेंजेस? That is the antenna. Next, come to the fill in the blanks, page number 65. A bird moves with the help of dash. Wings, they fly. Birds, they are also considered as living things. So they fly with the help of wings. They move from one place to another. A fish moves with the help of dash, that is wings. Leaves of the dash close up when touched. Which plant's leaves close up when we touch it? That is mimosa. Plants breathe through tiny holes in their dash. Plants have tiny holes in their leaves to breathe. And next is dash feel changes around them. Only animals? Animals and plants. Both are living, so both they feel changes around them. Both plants and animals. So, but if we have gone through the whole chapter, go through it, revise this whole chapter that we have done today. And your paper will come in the Google form as well as PDF. 30 marks you will get Google form and 10 marks you will get in the PDF form. So prepare according to it. You will get the blueprint. So good luck for your exams also. Thank you and have a nice day.